I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to change the cartridge in a Fusion PC gun. First, what you're going to want to do is remove the front cap. Then you remove this cap. Then you take a flat-headed screwdriver and you put it underneath the slot and you just pry up slightly. Turn it to the other side, pry up slightly, and continue this until you have it up a ways. That will make it easier to take your hand and simply wiggle it a bit and slide it out. So you got the cartridge out, you know it's no good, you simply grab a new one, you throw this away so you don't mistakenly use it in the future, and you put the new one back in the chamber like I'll show you how to do here in a few seconds. And then we're going to line up them three holes with them three holes, which sometimes takes a little bit of wiggling because it all has to line up. Wiggle it a bit. See how it went into place? If it did go on hard, you might have to turn your chamber a little bit, but right now you can just take your hand, push that down in place. Good. You're going to take this cap, turn it on, went on nice. Turn on the end cap. Finger tight, everything hand tight. Spray it again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change a cartridge in a Fusion PC gun.